Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Tech love from Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to update the macOS software on your MacBook. Keeping your system updated ensures you have the latest features and security patches. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open System Settings. Click on the Apple menu icon on the top left corner of your screen and after then, select System Settings. And now, select General. Then choose Software Update. Your Mac will automatically check for available updates, and if updates are found, you will see options to install them. So here you can see that my MacBook is already up to date. So if you can see any kind of update option here, normally click on the Upgrade button or Upgrade Now button or Update Now button to begin the installation process. It can ask your password, normally provide the password, follow the on-screen instruction to complete the update. That's pretty simple. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Allah Hafiz.